You want to start a business, but you don't have a product to sell? So you're not to start making money online. But if you're like most people who want to jump into selling products on the internet, you don't have anything to sell yet. Maybe you don't have the time to create a flashy digital product yourself. Or perhaps you can afford to hire someone to make one for you, or worst of all, you don't even have the slightest idea of what to sell. PLR Products is the key. Ready to be sold digital products you can sell right now. Here's how it works.
What are PLR products? And how do they help your online business make money? PLR products are digital products that other people have created, which you can sell for profit. And here's the awesome part. You won't owe anyone any commissions or cuts of the profit. 100% of the profits are yours to keep. You can do this because when you own a PLR product, you own the private label rights, or PLR for short, to that product. You can even rebrand a PLR product under your business's own brand, so it's not just someone else's product that you're selling to your customers. Now, I know what you're thinking. That seems a little shifty or dishonest. It's not. It's actually common practice all over the business world, even for large, well-known, and respected companies. Chances are you've even purchased PLR products that were sold under popular brands. Here's an example you see every day: the Ford Escape. Did you know that although Ford is the original manufacturer of the Escape, they also sold the PLR to Mazda? And if you've ever seen a Mazda Tribute, you're looking at a rebranded Ford Escape. Different branding, exact same vehicle. Still feel like you're robbing someone of those profits of their product? Most PLR products are created for the sole purpose of being sold by businesses other than the original authors or creators. And that's the case with every one of the products InDigitalWorks offers. In fact, InDigitalWorks product creators desperately want you to use the rights to their products to sell them. Because if their products bring you profits, you'll come directly to them for more. Every one of InDigitalWorks PLR products, which number more than 12,000, were created to be sold by internet businesses like yours. But what if you haven't started a business yet? Maybe you're interested in selling one, but you don't even have so much as a website. Wait, don't bail just yet. Because when you become an InDigitalWorks member, you won't just be able to choose from over 12,000 PLR products to sell. You'll also have exclusive member-only access to our business creation and support tools that no other PLR website offers. InDigitalWorks has hundreds of training videos to guide you through every step of launching an online business and start selling PLR products. From creating a website to how to create your own brand, to bringing in lots of interested customers. InDigitalWorks also provides its members with free, high-speed, secure web hosting for your website, online store, blog, or anything else. And as an InDigitalWorks member, you'll also get access to landing page and e-cover design software. Try out a free InDigitalWorks membership today, and you'll instantly get access to 200 digital PLR products you can start selling right away.